Hey, so here I'm gonna show you the color presentation of the Redmi 13 with the ocean blue color. So let's take a look how it looks on the back. I'm gonna actually move it to the left and to the right side to show you how it looks in the sound source. In the light source. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the camera. There we go. There's big LED light around this black dot. It's not actually the cameras you can actually find right here. That's how it looks from the right side. The buttons right here, at the top. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.